bookworms, I'm Miss Abby, and welcome to Abby's Reading Room. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we'll be reading a book called Llama Llama, Red Pajama. Here, we'll meet a baby llama who's having some trouble going to sleep. Come on, let's go!
Abby's Reading Room!
Llama Llama, Red Pajama by Dewdney. Llama Llama, Red Pajama reads a story with his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama Llama goes downstairs. Llama Llama, Red Pajama feels alone without his mama. Baby Llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama Llama, Red Pajama calls down to his llama mama. Mama says she'll be up soon. Baby llama hums a tune. Llama Llama, Red Pajama, waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby llama starts to fret. Llama Llama, Red Pajama whimpers softly for his mama. Mama Llama hears the phone. Baby llama starts to moan. Llama Llama, Red Pajama listens quiet for his mama. What is Mama Llama doing? Baby llama starts boo-hooing. Llama Llama, Red Pajama hollers loudly for his mama. Baby llama stomps and pouts. Baby llama jumps and shouts. Llama Llama, Red Pajama in the dark without his mama. Eyes wide open, covers drawn. What if Mama Llama's gone? Llama Llama, Red Pajama, weeping, wailing for his mama. Will his mama ever come? Mama Llama, run, run, run! Baby llama, what a tizzy! Sometimes mama's very busy. Please stop all this llama drama and be patient for your mama. Little llama, don't you know Mama Llama loves you so? Mama Llama's always near, even if she's not right here. Mama Llama, Red Pajama gets 2 kisses from his mama. Snuggles pillow soft and deep. Baby llama goes to sleep. The end. Can you believe that baby llama? He sure was missing his mama llama. Do you ever have trouble going to sleep at night? Well, you can know this. When your parents put you to bed at night, you can know that they love you and are there to keep you safe. If you're having as much fun as I am reading all these wonderful books, make sure and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.